Welcome back. So this is reaction rate number 2 exercise where we're looking at how temperature is our factor and how it affects a glow stick. And so the first thing that I want you to notice is there's our glow stick kind of unreacted. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and start the glow stick reaction for our room temperature glow stick. You can see that I have one also in hot water and one in cold water that we'll be looking at as well. So here's our glow stick after we've started the reaction. And so go ahead and make observations about what evidence you see for a chemical reaction. One thing we have to do is take the temperature of the glow stick at room temperature to see if it's changed. And it turns out that a glow stick does not absorb or release energy, right? It stays the same temperature. Most of us have experience with a glow stick understanding that. Now what I'm going to do is pause the video again and start the glow sticks in the cold water and the hot water, and then we'll compare the reactions. So I've turned off the lights and I'm letting the glow sticks work their magic. You can see that I have the room temperature one kind of hanging out. I also have the hot one and the cold one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let these sit in their respective temperature differences for a while, and then we're going to pull them out and see which one of them is the brightest and which one is the dullest in comparison to our room temperature glow stick. So instead of making you guys sit and watch this for about 2 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and cut the video, and then we'll cut back in with a comparison of them after they've been in their respective temperature waters for a while. And so here are our glow sticks after they've set in their respective temperatures for a while. And so hopefully you can see that indeed there is a difference, that temperature does increase reaction rate. We can tell that by the amount of light given off. In fact, the one in the cold water only reacts partially, right? It's so cold that it doesn't mix well enough to react all the way to the top and the bottom of the glow stick. So again, what I want you to do is think about how this change in temperature affects the molecular collisions and how that accounts for this increase in rate we see as temperature increases.